Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Fiverr gig from scratch, step by step, so you can start offering your services and earn money online. No prior programming experience? No problem. I guide you from scratch, help you set up your environment, and walk you through building your first web app. By the end, you'll have practical skills you can use for real projects. Beginner-friendly ASP.NET Core training on Fiverr. In my sessions, you'll learn the basics of C#, ASP.NET Core MVC, Razor Pages, and Entity Framework Core. Each lesson is hands-on, so you actually build projects while you learn. Flexible packages on Fiverr. A starter session for a 1-hour introduction. A beginner boot camp with small projects. A full beginner project session for building a complete web application. You can even get extra support, code reviews, and custom project guidance. Here are some common questions buyers ask. Do I need prior programming experience? No, the course is designed for beginners. What software do I need? You just need a PC or laptop with Visual Studio and SQL Server Express. I'll guide you through the setup. Can I build a real project during lessons? Absolutely. Each session is hands-on, so you'll create a small web application step by step. How are the lessons delivered? You can choose live sessions via Zoom, Google Meet, or Skype, or recorded tutorials if you prefer. If you're ready to start your ASP.NET Core journey, click the Fiverr gig link in the description and book your session today. Let's build your first web application together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more programming tutorials and Fiverr tips. See you in the lessons.